Okay guys, let's continue. Our ground, actually what I will do a kind of trap. To do that, I will dig this ground. Okay, so to dig it, you just have to select this eraser, and for example, each 8 tiles I will do a kind of trap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from here I will empty here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I do not have to be too much accurate. Actually, you can do as you want. Let's say there is 3, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'll dig here, 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 and let's say like that. Then, guys, what I will do kind of a ramp, because here it's a little bit too sharp. So we can select, for example, this ramp. Oh, I forgot to take the brush first. So I select this ramp. I put here, here. I mean the left side here, and for the other side, I will put the other kind of ramp. Let's say this one, for example. One here, and one here. Okay, it's almost good. The issue, it's around here. For those tiles, we forgot to put the green grass, so we can do that now, you know. So it's easy process. We just need to exchange these tiles, for the first one. So I will select the first one, and I just have to replace it here, here, and then here. Okay, it's not too bad. I forgot this one. Okay. Okay, guys, as I said, I have to name this ground. So this tile map, actually, I will click on the name, and I will change tile map for ground and enter. And in the same way, I will change the tag. What is the tag? I have to see in the inspector. So you can give, let's say, a first name to the ground. So I have to do here add tag, and then as the list is empty, I will push the plus button, and I will write ground once again, and I write here save. Okay, so if I return to my ground to tag it, I have to select untagged, and now appear the ground tag. So here it is, guys. Okay guys, now let's put a background to the scenery. So I have to go to 2Cube Forest. I have to go, for example, in background, and I will choose any of these background. For example, I can select at the beginning this one. It's appreciated, this one. It's a written mountain. Yeah, why not? So we have to put these things uh, below the ground, as this is the background. Okay, so the first issue we encounter is that, for instance, it is in the foreground. So to change that, we have to manipulate the sorting layer. Okay, I mean actually the layer. So the layer is here, the layer of this background is here. So I'll put, for example, -1. If I put that, you can see now the background is below the ground. Okay guys, let's stretch this background uh, because there is nothing here in that area. So to do that, we have to first select the background mountain, then you need to select the scale tools, and if you do that, observe, you can scale it like that. Okay, okay, it's a little bit bigger, but this is not a big issue. Okay, let's say like that, it's not too bad. Okay.